Hello students, this is Vitthal Anwat, and today we are going to learn about our second paper of the TYBSc is Fundamental of Human Geography, and in this subject we will be focused upon our second chapter Human Race, and the learning point is concept of race, the physical trait of race and classification will be included into this part. As we know, there are three important types of the race has been found into the world. First is Caucasoid, second is Mongoloid, and another one, third is Negroid. Here are the some characteristics of this Caucasoid types of the people, or that these types of the race. The first characteristics of this race is the color of these peoples is this skin color of these people is reddish white to olive brown. This is the major characteristics of these people's uh, skin color related information. These people's color of the skin is reddish white to olive brown. Then second important characteristics of Caucasoid types of the race is stature of these humans are medium to tall and head is long to broad and short. Then another characteristics of this race is face is narrow to medium broad. And most important characteristics of the Caucasoid types of the race is hair. This hair is light blonde to dark brown. This is the most important term. If you want to identify which type of the race of these people, that time you can get another one physical trait of this people is hair. Then eye light is blue to dark brown. Means the Caucasoid people's eyeballs color is light blue to dark brown. Then these people are mostly dominantly observed found into the Europe. Mostly the Caucasoid types of the race is observed into the world, whereas the temperature is lie very low. It's found whereas the low temperature, and Europe is fall into the low temperature region. Then also along the northern belt of Africa, in northern part of Africa, they are mostly migrated peoples. Then Asia Minor means up to the Turkey, Afghanistan, Iran to Balochistan, and north part of India means the Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir, the some part of the Uttar Pradesh, the Uttarakhand or Uttaranchal. In this region you can find out such a race with the Caucasoid types of race. You can find out the Kashmiri and the Punjabi peoples are similar to such a characteristics. Sub-races of Caucasoids are Mediterranean, Ainu, Celtic, Nordic, Alpine, and East Baltic. These are the major divisions of Caucasoid type of race. Then some composite race, humanoid, dynamic, predominantly white ones include Australian, Indo-Dravidian, and Polynesian. Residual mix type of include in Nordic Alpine and Nordic Mediterranean. Means they are also once again categorized into the such a category. So these are the means the race you can determine with the help of skin color, their heads, their nose, their skulls, their physical traits means their height. Such type of the physical traits are concerned with the each and every types of the race. This is second important types of the race observed into the world. It's Mongoloid. And what are the characteristics of this Mongoloid types of the race? We are going to focus upon that one. Firstly, the skin color. The skin color of this types of race is saffron to yellow brown, and some are the reddish brown. Means this skin color is saffron mostly, then yellow brownish, and sometimes they are recognized as a reddish brown. Then another one characteristics of Mongoloid race is stature is medium tall to medium short. Mostly their height is not comparatively, if you is compare with the Negroid and the Caucasoid, so you can clearly identify that they are the too short comparatively both types of the races. The head predominantly broad. Their head is very broad. If you focus upon the Chinese people, they are known as a Mongoloid race. Then face medium broad to very broad. Their face is comparatively broad. If it's means a ratio with his their body, that time you can clearly identify that one. Then here brown to black. Their hairs are the sometimes observe the brown, and mostly they are the in nature of black. Eyeballs color is dark brown, and mm, they are sometimes look like as a fold very common. Epicanthic fold very common means their eyes are the oblique. ओके म्हणजे तिरपे जे काही आपण म्हणतो त्या प्रकारचे ते तिरपे बघणारे लोक असं त्यांना म्हटलं जातं. Means these Mongoloids peoples are dark brown, their eyes color, and they more mainly the Asiatic or Oriental race. They are also found in Central, Eastern, and Southeast Asia, western part of America. They are known as Red Indians in western part of America. This is the important tribe of North America. Then in Arctic region, they are known as the Eskimos. In Canada, Greenland, and Yakuts. In Siberia, these are the most cold regions: Siberia, Greenland, and northern part of Canada. Okay, it means these people are mostly found, whereas this is the last race of the human being, and this is a Negroid types of the race, and mostly this type of the race is commonly observed whereas the high temperature. So due to the high temperature, this race skin color is brown to brown black. Then another one types of the characteristics of this Negroid types of the race is their structure is tall to very short, head predominantly long, and height is low to medium. Then face is medium broad to narrow. Hair color of this Negrito or the Negroid people is brown, black, and means their hair color is brown to black, and we if focus the Negro people, that and the width of this hairs of these people is comparatively too high. You can get the example of Chris Gayle, who is a cricketer of West Indies. He is the best example of Negroid. He represented Negroid types of the race. Then if you want to get the example of Caucasoid, that time you can get the example of the any English cricketer like as Joss Butler. Then Mongoloid, you can get any example of the Chinese people. Same as the Negroid people, hairs are the black to brown. Then eyes are brown to brown black, means eyeballs of these people. Then vertical eye fold is the common. Then characterized by the prognathism, that is the process of the jaw. Means it's the most important characteristics of these people. Their jaw is look like little bit come the outer line. Then some are also affected by the steatopegia, means bulky hips, and there are another characteristics of this negroids. Their lips are look like their lips are comes to outer parts. Then subrace include the African Negro, Nilotic Negro, and Negretto. Then composite race included that are the permanently negroid like the Melanesians and the Papuans. Means they are represent the Southeast Asia. Papua New Guinea Islands is located near the northern part of the Australia. Then secondary subraces included the Bushmen. This is the tribes which is observed near to the Kalari, and Kalari is a desert region of the Africa continent. Bushmen, this is tribes is observed near to the equatorial part of the world, and the Hottentots of the South America. These are the some examples of the Negroid peoples in India, mostly southern part of India, in Andaman Nicobar, Tamil Nadu. In this region, we can find out these types of the race. Thank you very much.